Okay, this is 829 casting. And here's the setup. On the Integrex, obviously, the main chuck has these soft jaws. They're pie jaws, they're marked 1, 2, 3. So you put them in accordingly. And there's a mark. Let's see if we can see it. You can barely see it over here. There's like a little line that you line up with the top of the jaw on the chuck. Each one has one. Yeah, you'll see it when you get here. Anyway, then here on this jaw, which is not sure, but you can see this little swirly spot thingy right here. See, the others don't have that. Just this one. So you take the casting and it goes in, the snout thingy goes in this way, and the little swirly deal here, you put the hole over that. That's how you align it. So you just put it in there, make sure it's pushed in all the way, and then clamp the chuck. Give it a spin to make sure it's running true, that it's not doing this, you know. Okay, so that's that. When the part's finished, it looks like this. This is on the back chuck. So we need to gauge this bore right here before we take it out. So we use the go, no-go gauge. The go side needs to go, and the no-go side needs to not go. Don't force the gauge, ever. And keep the gauge clean. Put it on the bench. Don't throw it in this stupid thing here. Okay, so that's good. So I'm going to take this out of the chuck. Set it aside for deburr. You can see this is the back chuck jaws, and they're marked with 829 and 1, 2, 3, and they just go on like that, and that's that. So once you get this in and take that one out, it's time to run the part again. So we close the doors, and the program in the machine, let's see if this will focus. No, basically not. It's 829. So the program number is 829, and the name is 8-29 complete part. I don't know if you can see that, but whatever. That's the name of the program. Anyway, we've set up the tools already according to the job sheet, and now we're ready to run. So I'm just gonna push start, and there it goes. It's off and running. Okay, now deburr. Deburr here, just deburr the part completely. You can use the knife around the edges here. You can use the file as needed, you know, if you need to file some stuff. Use this on the holes, these holes here, to deburr those, both sides. So, and then measure, and record your measurements.